In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an image URL in JPG format from Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is prepare the image. Make sure that your image is already uploaded to Google Drive and it needs to be in the .jpg format. The reason for this is simple. This guide is all about extracting a direct link that you can use to share or embed that image seamlessly. Once your image is safely uploaded and ready, the next step is to locate it in your drive. Go ahead and navigate through your folders until you find the image you want. Click on it once to select it. This is important because it sets you up for the next step. Now we need to open the sharing settings for that file. You can do this in two ways. First, look at the top toolbar for a little icon that looks like a chain link. That's the Get Link icon. Click on that. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can just right-click on the image file to bring up a menu, and from that menu, select Get Link. Either option will take you to the same sharing settings. Next, we'll update the permissions. By default, the settings might be set to restricted, which means only you can see the file. To share it with others, you'll want to change this to anyone with the link. This way, anyone who has this link can access your image. Go ahead and make that change, then take a moment to ensure it's set correctly. Once that's done, you'll see the sharing URL provided in a text box. Go ahead and copy that link. It's crucial because we're about to modify it to create a direct image URL. Now, here comes the slightly technical part, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. The link you just copied typically ends with /view.usp=sharing. This is a standard sharing link, but we need to convert it to a direct image URL so you can use it more effectively. To do this, you'll want to replace that ending portion with export parameters. Specifically, you can change it to /UC export download, which essentially tells Google Drive to directly export the image for download. Just make sure that the unique file ID, which looks like a string of letters and numbers, remains intact in the URL. It's really important not to alter that part. So now your link should resemble something like this: h/drive.google.com/ID your file ID and export download. Just remember to replace your file ID with the actual ID from your original link. Once you've got it set up correctly, simply hit enter and test out your new direct image URL to make sure it works. And there you have it. You've successfully created a direct link to an image in .jpg format from Google Drive. Now you can use that link to share your image easily, whether in emails, on social media, or anywhere else you might need it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.